Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to design this fishing t-shirt on Canva. There will be another Canva tutorial following this video in the coming days, so stay tuned. Now let's start. On your Canva homepage, search for a t-shirt. By default, Canva provides a working template of 14 by 18 inches for t-shirts. We are going to use it, and open a blank document to start designing. Click on the background and choose the color you want to work on. From the Elements tab, search for fishing. I tried to search for a couple of terms to find a suitable fishing graphic for my design. Finally, I decided to use this one. Then I started to add the text. If you press the letter T on your keyboard, the text box will appear on your document and you can start adding the text. I changed my main text to the Dreamwalker font. You can always upload fonts to your Canva account through the Styles tab. I continued to add additional text. Then I decided to separate the words my and son so that I can adjust the spaces more comfortably. For the empty spaces, I thought to add some fishing icons. I found this fishing icon and I decided to use it. I cropped the file to use only part of it in my design. I then searched for some texture to add to the design. Finally, I changed the colors of some of the text to provide a different look. Another fishing t-shirt tutorial will follow this video soon. So, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.